Alright guys, so welcome back to today's video. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic right here, and I'm very glad that you are joining us on this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about MemeFi listing date. Alright, so over here yesterday being the 22nd of August, I gave you guys an update that MemeFi is going to be announcing their listing date on Friday, which is today. So right here guys, on this video I'm going to be revealing to you guys the listing date on MemeFi. And also, if you are hearing MemeFi for the first time, MemeFi is a project which is currently running an airdrop campaign, and they are ready to airdrop their token in the nearest days. All right, so right now, if you haven't created an account about MemeFi, or if you're hearing this for the total first time, pay close attention because I'm going to be teaching you guys everything you need to know about MemeFi, and most importantly, I'm going to be teaching you a techniques that you can use to boost your balance so that you can meet up with a reasonable amount of MemeFi before they actually list. All right, so right now pay close attention. Over here, this is our Telegram account, our Telegram channel, official one, which is where we give updates about cryptocurrency and airdrop that is still ongoing. So if you haven't joined our Telegram yet, a link is going to be dropped on the video description. Make sure you join us using the link. And also, if you're watching a video for the first time, we actually give out free BNB to our viewers. All you got to do is simply go below the video you're watching right now, then you're going to be seeing this subscription button. Make sure you click on it to subscribe to our channel, then you click on the bell that's going to appear and select all, so that anytime we post any new video, YouTube will send you notification immediately. After that guys, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up, then you put a reasonable comment right there, then you make sure you share our video to any social media platform of your choice. But with that being said, let's now go back and talk about when MemeFi is going to be listed, and also how to position yourself to earn a high amount of MemeFi token before they actually launch, which is in the nearest coming days. So right guys, this is our Telegram account, which is where we give our updates about cryptocurrency. And when you look down here right now, let me show you guys something that you need to know. So today I gave the update concerning the MemeFi listing. Over here guys, this is where they give the announcement, and this announcement was made about 7 hours ago. They say that they are gonna be listing on October 9. All right, which is less than 50 days from today that I'm making the video. So if you haven't onboarded yourself, you have about roughly 2 months, that is a month, and to participate and get enough amount of coin before they actually launch in the coming days. All right, so right now pay close attention because I'm going to be teaching you how to get onboarded, and also how you can be able to boost your earning so that you can earn even really fast. All right, so when you click the link on the video description, you are going to be taken to our Telegram channel right here. So all you got to do right now is simply you click on this link right here, which is this link right here. So the link is going to be dropped on the video description actually. So when you click on the link, this is going to be taking you to your own account on MemeFi. What you got to do is simply click on play right here. You can see play right here, so you click on play. So this is going to be loading up immediately, and you are going to be taken to your own account. So your own account is not going to be looking like mine. They have several ways of earning. So right now pay close attention, let me teach you the ways. So the first way of earning is simply by tapping. So as we all know, this is a tapping airdrop. You need to tap to earn. Okay, each boss you defeat comes with a benefit. Okay, each level has its own boss, all right, that you need to defeat. So the second way that you can earn right here is for simply by booster. When you click right here on booster, so when you click on booster right now, you can see that we have recharge and turbo. Recharge simply means that, assuming that your energy capacity, which is this right here, your energy capacity right here, you can see mine is 60,000. When you keep tapping, and you can see that the more you tap, the more that the energy drops. Okay, so the more you tap, the more the energy drops. So when it drops to 0, you can easily come right here to recharge your energy. You can actually do this 3 consecutive times before it actually stops recharging, and you have to wait for the next 24 hours. So right here guys, you can see we have turbo right here. This turbo, how it works is that you simply when you click on turbo, the amount of coin that you earn on every tap will be multiplied by 10. That is how it simply works, and it will be multiplied by 10 for the next 20 seconds, I guess. For example, when I click on turbo right now, and I will click on claim boost right now, you can see these bottles that appears here. I have to break it. So when you break the bottle, that is when you can see right now I'm earning 160 instead of 16. This is simply how the turbo works. Okay, so the next one right now is for you to just come right here to booster again. When you come to booster, you are going to be seeing your damage level. I'm currently on damage level 16, and each damage level is what determines what your tapping bot will earn on every 3 hours. So we have this earning right here. So when you click on the earning, there are some certain tasks that you can actually complete. Right now I have completed all my tasks. That is why you are seeing no campaign right here. So for example, you are going to be required to watch a video so that you are going to be, so that you can earn certain amount of coin, especially 500,000 or 750,000 depending. Okay, so you can also earn through this means, and you can also earn through invitation. You can invite your friend to actually earn a coin. So each friend you invite, you are going to be giving 50,000 coin for every invite, and sometimes they do multiply the reward for each invite by 3. Okay, so right now, for example, when you look down right here, you can see that we have this bot right here, which is ready for me to claim, and I will also have this right here. So pay close attention, let me explain. So over here right now, when I click over here on booster and I select tab bot, every 3 hours there will be a countdown here which is reading to 3 hours. So when the 3 hours elapse, I'm going to be coming right here to claim. When I click on claim right now, I'm going to be claiming my coin as soon as possible. You can see that I just claimed right now and my balance just changed right now. So when you look right here, you can see that there are many ways through which you can earn from here, and the major way through which you can earn, which is the I call it the booster. Okay, the booster, which I'm going to be showing you right here, is this thing right here. So you can see, if you look down here, you can see I have this icon, power icon right here. So when I click on it, I'm going to be taken to what we call spin. All right, so the wall of spin over here, guys, you are going to be given a chance to spin. All right, so when you click on spin right now, this string right here is going to roll up, and you know how it works. It's going to stop at a certain point. Any amount of coin over there is what you're going to be getting. For example, when I click on spin right now, you can see how it spins, and I'm going to be giving a certain amount of coin, and right now I just got 25,000 coin right here. And you can actually do this every 5 hours, and on every 5 hours you are going to be giving a certain amount of times that you can spin this wall. Okay, so when I click on spin again, I'm going to be getting a different amount of token right here. You can see I just got just 5,000 right here. So right now, when I go back right now, at some point you are going to be giving about 100 to 200 spin chances. All right, so and that 200 or 100 spin chances, you are going to be using it to maximize your balance right here. So you're going to be using it to earn so much amount of coin. So the more you try it, the more you get used to it. So if you haven't yet gotten onboarded into this project, you still have a lot of time, and you can do it right now that you just watched this video. So I believe you have gotten a value out of this video. So if you do like the video, let me know on the comment section. Tell me what you think on the comment section. We are actually going to be celebrating this on our Telegram channel when they finally launches. So pay close attention and make sure you do not joke with any updates coming from my channel. All right, so they actually paid up very well. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I believe that you have gotten a value out of this video. Keep tapping, keep earning. By the end of the day, you are going to be grateful that you did. Thank you, and I will see you guys on my next video that's dropping very soon. Salute.